Hello all friends, in the afternoon, my friends, and I are looking for food which is none other than hunting, catching. And none of them knew that inside these trees there was a nest of a bird that was hatching. After my friends had left, I went over to see the baby bird that was hatching. Okay, we'll see it guys. Wow, amazing, really amazing. I'm curious guys, yoo-hoo, it's so beautiful. And I'm curious, friends, come again in the evening to see what kind of bird it is. Wow, I was shocked, I didn't have time to see clearly, guys.
Kabur guys.